Well, hello, well, see this.
AfriForum has warned the ANC beforehand that the relationship with the US cannot be saved by falsely downplaying the legitimate concerns that the US has as so-called the result of misinformation. This strategy did not work, and now we are all reaping the bitter fruits. But it is very important that we do save the relationship with the US. Therefore, AfriForum proposes that we address the core issues that President Trump has now mentioned, namely farm murders, as well as the disrespect for property rights. And the solutions are easy. AfriForum proposes, with regard to farm murders, that the president condemns the Kill the Boer chant that calls for ethnic violence against Afrikaners. He should acknowledge that farm murders are accompanied by tortures. Then also farm murders should be declared as a priority crime. It's already done with regard to rhino poaching. Why not in this case? With regard to property rights, the solution is also easy. Scrap section or article 12.3 of the Expropriation Act that allows for expropriation without compensation, and change article 19.2 that allows expropriation before the property owner can go to court.
Okay, so recently was shared